What's going on, y'all? I'm back with another video, and I want to give y'all an update. And we got something new going in the Z right now. So first off, here's the car, here's the Z. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen it. I ain't been driving it crazy lately. I actually just started driving it recently again because I I got the new clutch in, stage 2 clutch. I installed that about a couple weeks ago, and I told y'all I was gonna make a video on it and show y'all, you know, how I did it. But out here in Washington, it was raining, and yeah, man, I didn't want to try to record and get my camera all wet and do all that. It was already disgusting trying to work on the wet ground, so I just decided to bust it out. But the install went real smooth, and the car is driving good right now, man. Right now I'm just breaking in the clutch. I know they say about 500 miles. I'm about 240 miles in right now, so you know, we got a little bit to go. But the agenda for today is that we have a new part for the Z. I don't know if you can tell what this is, but this is a harness bar from BRAUM Racing. I don't have no seats or harnesses yet, but I do have a harness bar because I do want to get that. I want to get that cracking soon. You know what I'm saying? Especially in prep for next year. You know, with COVID and everything, there's just so much going on. Job transitioning and all that. So, you know, right now it's just a kind of a downtime for the Z. Just gonna be working on the build so we can get on the track next, probably next spring coming up. You know, spring season. I still want to get on the big track, do some more autocross. Mess up my video. Anyways, let's go ahead. All right, y'all, so we got the box cracked open. We got the Z's trunk popped, doors unlocked. We got our seats rolled all the way forward because we're gonna need to get into these. We're gonna have to pop these off, and I think there's a 14mm behind it because that is where this part attaches to. This is the BRAUM Racing harness bar for the 350Z. These come all like foam wrapped, but I took it out, you know. Real simple. I decided to get the glossy powder coated white just because I would do black because that's kind of my squeeze, but I kind of wanted to be different and I wanted to really be seen in the car, so I chose to get white. This is what it looks like. It comes with these. I have no idea what these are. We're gonna find out though. I kind of read the instructions online and I kind of did it, so I'm just gonna really send it to be really 100 with you. And yeah, what this has to do with like harnesses though, I truly don't know. These are like super random. Anyways, yeah, let's get into this install, man. So first off, grab your flathead screwdriver and we're gonna just pry this into here and just kind of, I guess, pry this thing on. Oh, there you go. It just comes off. You have the cap, you know. Set that aside. Set this aside. And we have I think a 14mm. So grab your 14mm wrench and 14mm socket. So you want to grab your 14. I just got a deep socket right here. Just gonna break this loose. All right, and then once it's loose, you can take your seatbelt off. This is what it looks like. Yep. And then just do the same thing to the other side as well. So I do have the harness bar. I kind of have it sitting here laying down. But the harness bar, I got it in the car. You have to do a weird angle. There's this piece that you have to mount right here with the factory bolt that's right here. But what you're gonna have to do is there's this little piece right here. Focus. There's this little piece right here, and it holds this spacer. It holds the spacer in. So you have to use like a small flathead or some kind of pick so you can pry this up and take it off, which I've already done. Yeah, you're gonna take this spacer off because once you put that in, this spacer will not allow there to be enough threads for it to thread in. So you're gonna want to take this spacer out, and you want to just leave this little clicking mechanism, or I guess you could take it off if you want. But yeah, that's what you're gonna have to do to get this installed. Alright, y'all, so getting this harness bar in the 350Z has been an absolute struggle, to say the least. I got my brother over there. He just helped me out. You're definitely gonna need 2 people for this. You could do it with 1, but it's gonna be hard, man. It really is a struggle. I don't know if it was from, you know, just the manufacturing, but it was a little bit off, so we had to try to bend and pull as much as we can. It's really hard. You have to kind of do things in different steps. So let me just show you what it looks like first. I'll start from the inside. Yeah, looks dope. I got the seat belts back in there. Functions just fine, normal, everything. You have to take a lot out of this, yeah. All the washers, you got to take a lot of the washers and the spacers off of here, because a lot of that gets in the way, because there's the bolt that you put through, man, it's so short. So if you want to keep your OEM seat belts, take most of the washers off of there, just with the main components. Yeah, got the BRAUM sticker, put it on there. It looks real sleek. Let me show you the backside. Yeah, man, so it's really nice. Came in here and cut up the carpet a little bit, just so you know it'll fit around here, and you won't have your carpet all lifted up like that. So just make some slits so it can sit in there, give it a nice OEM look like it's supposed to be in there. But these 2 bolts right here, I mean, I got them in with no issue, but they were kind of a struggle to line it up. Let me move this. You want to put the backside in first. That's what I did. Put the backside in first. Put your, you know, your baby seat belt thing back in there if you want. Use the washer spacer. This right here is a bolt that I got. It's a M8 by 125 bolt. I got that from Home Depot, and there is for some reason the threading on there is, I don't know what it is, but it's really bad. So it only goes so far before it starts to strip and everything. So these 2 washers that I have on there, I have 2 washers. It actually came off of the seatbelt mechanism that I didn't need no more, because I told you a lot of those spacers and washers you're not gonna need. So yeah, got rid of that. And then you're gonna have the hardest time with these right here, because once you get the backside in, it'll be on the back, but it's not gonna be super solid. So you can bend it a little bit, but you have to push up and get things aligned, and it takes a lot of strength. So you're gonna need a second person to do the bolt and the screwing in, while another person kind of lifts it up and get it into place. It's really a difficult task. You would think it'd be easier. I've seen other videos and they make it look really, really easy, but no, man, it's difficult. It's difficult. I'm not gonna lie. I've been out here for a couple hours. Had to go make a Home Depot run, and you know, it's a time-consuming progress when you think. And I haven't even got seats or harnesses yet, so I am happy I got this done. It does look great in the car. I love how it kind of just looks like it should be in there, which it was made for it, so I mean, I guess it should. But it does really look good. It really looks good. The white, it's, I don't know, I wanted to be different, so I picked white. I kind of thought I should pick black. It's kind of what I would normally do, is pick black on everything, but I chose white, and it looks good, man. It looks good. Yeah, so I mean, that's kind of how you do it. Everybody's experience probably might be a little different. I hope if you do it that it goes a lot smoother for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it down in the comments. Yeah, man, BRAUM Racing harness bar for the 350Z. We do got some more stuff coming next week. Yeah, next week for the Z, and I think you guys will like it, man. But overall, I'm happy with it. It looks dope. I'm ready to get some seats and some harnesses, man, so I can you know, hit some back roads and feel real confident in the seat, as well as next year when we get to the track. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.